month since I've had my synthetic dreads in, and I absolutely love them.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and welcome. If you are new here, it's been, once I film this, like, well, obviously once I'm filming this, like once I get it uploaded, it's been a little over a month since I've had my synthetic dreads in, and I absolutely love them so much. I'm not going back to any other hairstyle. I am learning this. I'm still learning. I am no expert, so this is just my experience so far and what I'm using that has, you know, this past month that I feel I've been liking washing and taking care of my dread wise. There's a few things in this video that I am trying that are new that I'm very excited about. But yeah, like I said, these dreads are about a month old and I do only wash them like once a week. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. Okay, obviously I have my hair up in a wild, messy bun right now because it needs cleaning. So I'm going to take it out of the bun, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out any beads that I have in, or any like decorative jewelry, and then I'm going to take out any of the strings that I have in them, just because I've had these in for about 2 weeks now and I want to switch them up. I'm going to be doing a really fun video. Y'all will see very close after this to me decorating my dreads for Halloween. So excited. So I did get these professionally put in with someone local here in Colorado where I live, and they were super sweet. I will link their information in the description. So if you're in Colorado and you want to get synthetic dreads, you can check them out. Just letting you know beforehand, if you plan on doing dreads and you plan on doing it, you know, the right way and getting good dreads, it's going to be a bit pricey. But I am going to, so excited. I actually just ordered a pair from a lady off of Etsy, and they are gorgeous, y'all. I'm not going to tell you what they look like. I'll try not to tell you in any other video till I do the unboxing video, but they are so pretty, and I'm actually going to do them on myself. I'm just going to try to braid them into my natural hair. But before I do that, I am going to keep the dreads out of my hair probably for a good 4 or 5 days, just so my natural hair can rest. I might even do a week, which will be so weird going from having some in my hair to like not having any at all. I'm gonna go ahead and just take these out, and then I will get back to y'all on what is next.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away.
Okay, so I have all of that out. I have one little piece of jewelry in here, right there, and it's really hard to get out, and it's totally fine because it hasn't been in there that long. So this is what my dreads are looking like. Don't ask me why I said like that, but there are some very obvious pieces that are coming out of the dreads, like poking out a bit, as you can like see. And I do have the crochet needles, but that is just, I don't know what it is. I just can't figure it out. So I'm going to keep them like this. And one of the moms that I babysit her kids for, her and I have been getting really close. She actually has dreads as well. And she's just like, I think you're being too, like, not picky, but I don't know how to explain it. She's like, dreads are supposed to look messy. So I'm trying to just get past the point where I can see some coming out. Like, obviously that's bad. So I could just put a little piece of jewelry there, which I am not too concerned about it looking like that because I am going to be taking these out in about a month. So, because you're not supposed to keep, when I've done my research, you're not supposed to keep synthetic dreads in for more than 2 to 3 months. And they are already growing in like my roots, my, however you say it, if that makes sense. Like, my natural hair is already growing in. So yeah, anyway, what I'm going to do is there's a few pieces that just need, some grooming. So I'm going to go in with some scissors and just trim a bit. Nothing too crazy, just trim some little pieces. The pieces that are like frayed and a bit fuzzy that are coming out, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to go in and trim the bottoms because it is looking a little dingy and some's longer. So I'm going to go ahead and just go in and trim some of that. So I'm going to do that, and then I am going to shower and I'll show you what I use to wash my hair. All right, so I'm going to let the water just run through my hair. I'm going to focus more on my scalp because that is obviously where my natural hair is, and I want to focus on getting all the oils out and just getting it super clean. So I am trying out this shampoo for the first time, and you'll hear a little bit later on in the video how much I absolutely loved it. And I found this on Amazon. Actually, no, I think I got it from Target. Yeah, I got it from Target. You can get it from Walmart as well. I saw that online. It is pretty inexpensive. I really like it. I focus just lathering that and really kind of scrubbing at the root. I'm not going to scrub like too hard because I don't want my dreads really not falling out, but getting super frizzy, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna, like I said, focus this on the roots and then run it through the dreads as well. So obviously I am out of the shower and I'm done washing my dreads. What I did in the shower is I stood there for a good 4 to 5 minutes and just held my dreads up like this and just let the ends, all the water drip off, and then I would just like shake it, and then I would go in after I'm done washing and then just squeeze to get the water closer to the end and to get the water out. And then I just dry the bottoms. Once it, when it's going to keep drying. It's going to take a little bit for these to dry, especially at the root. So I'm just going to keep having little drips of water come off the end of my hair, which I cannot stand, but I will obviously a shirt on, so I shouldn't be able to feel it. But at this point, what I've been doing the past month is blow drying my roots to get them dry, but my scalp is seeming to be a bit irritated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this spray, which she's so cute. She put witch spritz on it. But my friend Jade, the one I talked about earlier, She has real dreads in her hair. She made this for me, and it's just all, I think it's distilled water, and then all what else is in it is essential oils. So I'm sure you can go and find, I know there's a few YouTube videos that you can find to make this. Once this is out, obviously I'm gonna make my own. But my hair smells so freaking good from that shampoo. That was the first time, like I mentioned, using that shampoo, and I was super surprised of how good it smelled. I used the other kind from that brand, this kind right here, the sulfate-free cleansing cream shampoo, and it doesn't smell as good as the one that I used today. So highly recommend that. I feel like this is the best wash that I've gotten with my dreads so far. So I'm excited I tried that brand out. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my roots, some in just all of the hair. And then I'm gonna go in with some, this is Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I'm gonna go ahead and just do, it says section hair in 4 parts, exposing scalp. Apply a small amount of oil to scalp. Massage oil in with fingers and comb through the entire ends of the hair. Leave it in style. It says you can use it daily. So it's very clear that this is the first time that I'm going to use this, but I thought this would be really good for my scalp, especially since I have, the dreads are pulling on my hair, but I do also want to take care of my natural hair. And I do feel like my scalp has been a bit dry lately, so I am curious if this is going to help or not. So I'm going to apply this all to my roots, and then I'll show you all the last product I'll be using. Alright, first, before I apply that next product, I'm going to go through with a brush and just brush the ends out. Look how much better that looks than before. Looks so much healthier. All right, the next product I'm going to go in with is this Locks and Braid Foam Control, and I really don't know if this is for synthetic hair, but I've used it before and it did help tame down the frizz in my hair. So I'm just going to do a pump and then just go through. This stuff smells really good too. Let's go through my hair with this. And kind of twisting my dreadlocks too when I do this. Oh yeah. I feel like it's already helping with the frizz. This might just be a product used on normal, like all natural dreads, not synthetic dreads, but I'm using it and it hasn't harmed my dreads yet. I've used it a few times. So yeah, this is what my dreads are looking like after shower. They look so much better.